PharmaScribe uses Gemini AI to extract drugs, dosages, and diagnoses from handwritten prescriptions with structured output via Fast API. It includes real-time pharmacy maps using Leaflet, JS and voice guidance powered by 11 Labs TTS for accessibility. Drug images are enriched via Google CSE plus Gemini, with premium access controls and PDF export planned. Demo.
I'm just showing the demo. So this is how it's worked, and these are the benefits of the pharmacy script. Let's try with the scanning process. So you have to upload the image. Extract the text. Here OCR will handle the extraction process and Gemini will predict each drugs, and then it will give the reasoning do's and don'ts using LLM. And if you want to give some rating, means you can give to me. Okay, so you can see the images as well as the drug details will be displayed. I didn't get the images for here because I'm using Google API CSE, this one. Google CSE Gemini verification, this one, for the searching the images related with the drug name. And I'm just viewing the dietary thing. It will give the drug interaction and do's and don'ts and everything for the AI recommendation, as well as if you want to see the find nearby thing, means you can do. I already activate the premium one, so you can see the information related with the pharmacy nearby your location. And similarly, if you want, you can chat also with the chatbot. So I'm checking with this. So before that, I'm enabling the AI of 11 Lab. So when it generates the response, it will convert the text to speech.
Based on your prescription, here are common side effects to be aware of. Common side effects: nausea or stomach upset, drowsiness or dizziness, headache, dry mouth, serious.
Okay. Apart from that, you can also export this details in the PDF also. Here you will get the details of all the schedules and of our project. You can see I already stored the like and heart button in the storage, local storage.